Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by booting a Linux Live USB so you can modify disks safely. Once booted, open a terminal and run lsblk to identify Android X86 partitions, write them down. Then launch gparted to inspect sizes and file system types. Make sure the EFI or BIOS boot partition is visible. You do this now because direct changes from an installed system can break boot. With partitions identified, unmount any auto-mounted volumes and get ready to remove or reformat the Android partitions. Now delete the Android partitions. In gparted, select each Android partition and choose Delete, then apply to commit. This removes data and frees space. If you prefer terminal, use sudo parted or sudo wipeifs then mkfs to reformat. Once done, adjust your Linux /etc/fstab. If you reuse the space so mount points match UIDs, run sudo blkid to get values. Make sure the EFI or MBR boot partition still has the correct boot flag. Otherwise, the system may not find your existing OS. Finally, decide whether to remove or repair Grub. If you want Windows back, boot Windows Recovery and run bootrec /fixmber and /fixboot. This removes Grub. If keeping Linux, mount your root and EFI, root from the live USB and run grub install and sudo update grub to regenerate entries. Once done, reboot and confirm the system boots. Troubleshooting tip. If boot fails, boot the live USB, run boot repair or root and reinstall grub, and verify EFI entries with fbootnger before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.